For number 5, we are asked to write the rule for the D's translation here. So let's grab a point G. G is going to go to G prime. So G starts at X comma Y. It looks like it went, let's see, 1, 2, 2 up. So Y is going to be added. Y is going to be added 2 for the up. Nope, sorry. It's only added 1. 1 up. Look, 1 up. Okay, so Y is only add 1. Then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to the right. Plus 5 to the right. That is the rule. Next, let's do G to G prime. So X comma Y arrow. Looks like it went up 2. So Y plus 2. And then it went left 1. So X minus 1 to represent the left 1. For C, let's grab X to X prime. So it went 1, 2. So the Y is going to be plus 2 for the up 2. And X is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Right. So the rule is X plus 5 comma Y plus 2. Next, let's go from J to J prime. 1, 2, 3, up 3. So Y is going to be add 3. And 2 to the right, X plus 2. Those are the rules. So whatever goes left and right affects the X axis. And whatever goes up and down affects the Y axis.